Magandang umaga mga ka-joiners, mga kapwa ko Pasigueño. Nandito tayo ngayon sa PLP Auditorium at meron ditong cupping, pinning, and candle lighting ceremony para sa mga estudyante ng nurse. Ayan, nandito si Dean Flores ng Nursing Department at ating kakapanayamin.
Ito po ang annual and one of the most awaited events sa College of Nursing, cupping, pinning, and candlelight ceremony for the sophomore students. Ito po nagsasabi na sila ay pwede nang magsuot ng cups and pins para makapunta na sa clinical duty. They will serve pamantasan ng Pasig at the same time the Pasigueño. Hindi po sila mag-aaral kung hindi magsaserve because they are now qualified to be on their clinical duty with their clinical instructors.
Apo, ma'am, ano po yung masasabi natin na edge ng mga graduate ng nursing sa PNP kumpara doon sa ibang schools?
We are humbly saying that so far, for the past 6 years, we have 100% the board exam. In that one, eventually may return service agreement that most of our graduates from 2022 up to 2024, they are all hired sa Pasig City General Hospital and Pasig Group Medical Center. So I think with that magic that we have for the support, kasi po libre ang RLE, libre ang affiliation fee, they only have to do is to learn and practice the clinical with their compassion and of course the most important of yung dedication and their advocacy to serve our Pasigueños.
So 100% po pala yung board, yung passing rate po rin niya sa board?
Since ano po yun, 6 years na po board exam po namin. Yes, last year, we were given ano po, ng PRC, ng recognition because we're one of the top school in the Philippines. 56 and above po ang aming passer for last year po. So sabi ko, 100% kami for 6 years pero hindi kami nakakapalo ng 50 na estudyante. Last year po and we have it and we were recognized by PRC.
So far, ano po yung mga hindrances and struggles na sa part ng mga nursing student? So far nakaka-encounter po ninyo?
So far po ngayon, kasi meron kaming sea oil, 1 million yun pag nag-top sila sa board. So the competition perhaps, pero with the help of their parents, because we have the College of Nursing Parents Association, and the big help, actually ang dami nilang benefits, may connectivity allowance. The struggle lang talaga is how to make sure na nakafocus sila. Pero so far, I doubt that they have a lot of struggle, focus lang talaga. Because all they needed right now, konti na lang ang binabayaran nila and then I think magkaka-financial aid pa. So, it is more on determination and with their compassion and their focus, I guess, wala magiging problema. Ano lang talaga, siguro, mental health nila, perhaps. But we're helping them out with the guidance of our SSO and of course, the admin of our class division ng Pasig.
Ma'am, message
With all of this, of course, our Mayor, Vico Soto, our Vice Mayor, the George, si Congressman Romulo, and si Sir Simon Tagcoco, they were the one who helped us to make sure na free. Ang mahal po ng RLE, but because of that, nakakatapos na ngayon almost lahat na nag-enroll. And of course, the Pasigueño who entrust us, last time 1,200 ang nag-apply sa nursing, and we only have 150. With that, of course, above all, God who always guide us with all the miracles, the College of Nursing Faculty, maraming salamat po. Ito po ay magiging visible po lahat. Salamat po.
Yan, maraming salamat po na kapanayam natin si Dean Flores ng Nursing Department.
rise as we honor our nation through the singing of the Philippine National Anthem and Marcha ng Pasig, led by the PLP Himig Choral.
Honorable Robert Vincent Jude P. Jaworski Jr., our Vice Mayor. Honorable Victor Mar Reyes and Soto, the Mayor of Pasig City. Please be seated. Thank you. Distinguished guests, beloved parents, respected colleagues, and dear students, good morning. We gather today for a ceremony rich with tradition, the 20th capping, pinning, and candle lighting ceremony with the theme, a commitment to serve with faith, a life dedicated to care. This occasion marks the formal preparation of our student nurses as they not only knowledge and skill, but also the promise of service and faithfulness to their patients.
Nursing is not simply a profession, it is a vocation.
Maria Levy, Jeneline William. For our chief nurses, Chief Ana Lipana of PCGH, Chief Maria Cristina Panuwayan of PHMC, our training officer, Marlene Arcasia, our energetic university president, Dr. Glicerio Maningas, our esteemed dean, college deans, department heads, faculty, the proud parents, and our incredible nursing students out there. This ceremony is more than just a tradition. It is a profound testament to the perseverance and resilience of nursing students. The BSN Level 2 or sophomore students, batch Servire Fidelis, which means to serve faithfully, is about to take a major step in their nursing journey. Today, they will wear their caps and pins, the iconic symbol that signifies their readiness to begin a lifetime faithful commitment in serving our clients and patients. The countless quizzes, academic works were completed, demanding a new level of self-discipline and adaptability. The nursing journey of late nights, pagkain ng siomai, especially the fatigue, and all the whining for the constant pressure to excel in our PLP College of Nursing tradition. Yet they push forward. They embrace the challenge in performing all the return demonstrations, learning to communicate effectively. They learn to be both the nurse and also a patient, gaining a profound understanding of therapeutic communication that few before they have never experienced. As we cap them and pin these future nurses, we are not just recognizing their academic achievement. We are celebrating their strength, their unwavering spirit, and their ability to overcome adversity. They have proven that they are not just ready to care for others, but they are also equipped with resilience. To Mayor Robert Vincent Jaworski, to our Pasig City Administrator, you give hope to every family praying for a nurse. Your support has been significant difference in the lives of Pasigueño. We pray for great blessing for you and your families, so you are continuing to inspire and uplift the Pasig community. We are also thankful to Sir Mark Yu, the CEO of COL Philippines, because he's offering a motivation and offer 1 million pesos reward for the top performing student in the PNLE or Philippine Nurses Licensure Examination. It is a huge inspiration, pushing our student to serve for excellence. To our nursing student, we have seen how courageous God warriors, our nurses, our healthcare team. As scholars, funded by Unifas JED, and of course by the Pasig City taxpayer, always be thankful and do your part as dedicated nursing student. To our PLP administration, you have been our cornerstone. working tirelessly to implement all requirements that brought us to this momentous event. To our clinical instructors, I know and see your daily sacrifices. With this memorable occasion, welcome and God bless us all.
Thank you very much, Dean Flores, for your heartfelt message. Your words resonate deeply, especially with our students who are about to embark the noble journey of service and compassion, and to continue inspiring us and to share his words of encouragement for you students. May we now call on our very own Vice Mayor, Honorable Robert Vincent Jude B. Jaworski, Jr.
Ating minamahal na Mayor Vico Soto, sa ating University President Reggie Manigas, of course the Dean of the College of Nursing, Michelle Flores, to our professors, our distinguished guest speaker today, sa ating mga magulang na nandito, and sa ating mga nursing students who are about to enter the real world experience of being a nurse. Good morning. Kami po ay delighted na makasama kayo sa araw na ito kung saan mag-umpisa ang inyong journey, no? To experience ang talagang isa sa mga masasabi natin hindi trabaho pero isang bokasyon na pinili ninyo, no? Para siguro maging mas maganda ang inyong kinabukasan. Pero sa dami-dami ng kurso ay pinili nyo ang mag-nursing. Ibig sabihin yan, kakaiba ang magiging dedikasyon ninyo sa kapwa nyo Pilipino, sa kapwa nyo tao. It is indeed a big sacrifice that you will be doing and learning from these experiences that will be coming. But I am excited for you. I am excited for you because the field that you chose, ang pinili niyong kurso ay isa sa mga talaga nang sabihin natin pinakakulang na mga employment na kailangan hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas pero sa buong mundo. And I'm sure a lot of you are considering that in the future. No? Pero meron lang akong konting paalala sa atin, mga nursing students natin ngayon. Always bear in mind that material wealth should not be your most important goal in life. Kasi marami po sa atin ngayon, ang ating mga kabataan, iniisip nila, kailangan ko mag-aral para magkaroon ng kayamanan, para gumanda ang buhay ko. But life is not all about money. Tignan natin yung nangyayari ngayon sa national. Ang dami ngayon, mga government officials, nabubuking yung kanilang kayamanan. Ang dami ngayon, kahit na sa private sector, dito sa Pasig, ang daming kayamanan, pinakita yung yaman nila, sobrang daming yaman. Kaninang umaga, madaling araw, hinatak na yung kanilang mga sasakyan. Dinala na sa Bureau of Customs dahil hindi nagbabayad ng buwis. Hindi pera ang dapat ninyong maging inspirasyon sa buhay. Find your purpose in life. And believe me, it's not about money. Dahil at the end of the day, ang buhay natin may hangganan. Wala pa ako na inabaon ang kahit isang sigong duli. Wala pa. We come into this world naked, we will leave this world naked as well. So don't make money or the pursuit of wealth become your inspiration in life. Wealth will be secondary maybe as a bonus, but find your purpose and make that your inspiration. Na ako'y pumasok sa nursing dahil gusto ko makita gumaling yung mga taong may sakit. Pumasok ako nursing kasi gusto ko magkaroon ng mga pag-asa, lalo yung mga mahihirap na hindi kaya mabigyan ng tamang healthcare. Gusto ko maging nurse dahil I want to contribute to make this country our society a better place. Yan ang mga driving forces dapat nasa puso natin, sa puso ninyo. And I think if you can be a shining light, no, in your own vocation, it will rub off to the rest of society. At gaganda, hindi lang ang ating komunidad dito sa ating puso, pati na rin ang ating bansa na nangangailangan ng tunay na mga bayani ngayon. At kayo ang mga bayani ngayon. Congratulations, mabuhay-buhay na.
Totoo nga po na ang nursing ay isang dedikasyon at isang bokasyon. Thank you for inspiring our students, Honorable Vice Mayor Robert Jaworski. Now, let us continue to hear from an inspiring leader known for his dedication to good governance and empowering the community. Please join us in welcoming our Honorable Mayor Victor Mar Reyes and Soto.
Maraming salamat. Una po kayo. Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Yung mga nasa taas parang nakatulog na. Yung mga nasa balcony, good morning! Di ko kayo marinig. Good morning! Ayun. Sa mga parents, nasan po ang mga parents natin, magandang umaga po sa inyo. At ngayon pa lang, i-congratulate ko na rin po kayo. Alam kong po, nagsakripisyo rin po kayo, trabaho kayo para makarating dito ang inyong mga anak. I'm sure you are very proud of your children. Sa ating mga university, ko na po isa-isahin para maiksi na lang po yung mensahe ko. Dahil alam ko may mga iba pang magsasalita. Meron tayong inspiring message mula sa speaker natin na kasama mula sa PCGH mamaya. Maririnig nyo naman po. Pero higit sa lahat, ang importante po sa araw na ito ay hindi yung mensahe ko, kundi yung tradisyon na ito. Lahat ng nurse ay dumadaan po sa gantong tradisyon. At gaya po ng sabi kanina, ito pong tradisyon na ito, hindi lamang tradisyon, kundi ito po ay sumisimbolo sa inyong dedikasyon, sa inyong pagpupursige, sa inyong perseverance, at pati na rin sa inyong kahusayan o sa inyong excellence. Kaya masaya po kami ni Vice Mayor Dodot na masaksihan po ito. So lang, pasensya na po, hindi kami makakapag-stay sa buong ceremony or sa buong event, kasi may kailangan kami puntahan sa Barangay Santolan bago mag-11 a.m. Kaya paalam na rin ako para sa kanya. Baka umalis na rin po kami after a few minutes. Pero talagang tuwing meron po tayong events, hindi lang ito, pero sa nursing natin, hanggat maaari ay pinupuntahan po namin. Kasi alam niyo naman kung gaano ka-importante ang mga nurse, ang nursing, ang nurses. Ito po ang isa sa pinaka-importanting trabaho sa buong mundo. Alam niyo naman yan, hindi naman siguro kayo mag-apply para maging nursing student kung hindi niyo po alam yan. Sana alam niyo yan, isa yan sa pinaka-importanting trabaho o profesyon sa buong mundo. Alam din natin na sa buong mundo rin nagkukulang ang ating mga nurses. Dito sa Pilipinas, dito sa Pasig, huwag na po tayo lumayo. Makasama natin sa PCGH, sa ngayong Pasig Hope Medical Center. Kung merong isang challenge po parati, ayun ay kakulangan ng mga medical professionals, lalo na ng mga nurses. May mga pagkakataon na pwede pa sana nating expand yung mga serbisyo natin. Halimbawa, nung nakaraan, pinag-aaralan ko ulit sa PCGH natin. Alam natin, di ba, yung emergency room talagang napupuno. Di ba? Anong gagawin natin? Pwede tayong mag-expand, pwede tayong pwede tayong gawin na adjustment. Ang problema, kulang yung nurse. Kaya hindi natin malipat sa kwarto, hindi natin malipat kasi wala mag-aalaga na nurse. Talagang sagad na ang mga nurse natin. Kaya pag nakikita ko po kayo, ating mga nursing students, talagang natutuwa po ako. At hindi lang sa natutuwa, kundi dapat suportahan namin kayo. Dapat gawin namin ang lahat ng mga kaya namin bilang LGU officials, kasama ng City Council, kasama ng university officials natin, kasama ng College of Nursing, na gagawin na yan ang commitment namin sa inyo. Gagawin natin ang lahat ng makakaya natin para makapagtapos kayo, para makapasa kayo ng board exam, at siguro pagkatapos ng 3 years pa, kailan ba? Anong year ba kayo mag-board? After 2 years o 2.5 years, makikita po natin na ang inyong batch ay 100% passing rate. Magandang goal mo ba yun? Yan dapat ang target natin. 100% ay makapagtapos, 100% ay makapasa ng board exam. Okay lang din, okay po ba na goal yun? Kaya huwag kayong magtatampo. Kung minsan medyo mahigpit ang mga faculty natin, mga si Dean, minsan, wala naman pong nagsusumbong, pero huwag kayong magtampo, huwag kayong sumama yung loob ninyo pag minsan medyo mahigpit. Kasi para sa inyo rin naman yan, nakikita naman natin yung track record ng ating College of Nursing. At kaya nga po nasabi ko, trabaho namin, ako bilang mayor, and si Vice, ang ating City Council, Board of Regents, kailangan ko rin pong banggitin, susuportahan namin kayo hanggang sa dulo. Alam niyo, noong 2019, naabutan ko po yung sitwasyon, may nakita kami mga ibang nagda-drop out, tinatanong ko kung bakit, hindi 2019, parang pa 2020, ano bang, kung sa libre tuition o Unifast tayo, subsidize ang LGU sa tuition, tapos meron din from national through Unifast, yung batas ni Congressman Roman Romulo nung previous term niya pa. Nakita na pati sa ibang schools, sa ibang lugar, marami pa rin ang hindi nakakapagtapos kahit libre ang tuition. So nung pina-explain ko sa mga kasama nating nurses, pati na rin sa university officials natin na iba, pinaliwanag po nila sa akin na hindi lang naman yung tuition yung problema ng mga mag-aaral natin. Ang isa pang mabigat, yung RLE. Diba, pag magtanong tayo sa, siguro may mga kaibigan kayo, may mga batchmate, kakilala kayo sa ibang school, medyo siguro walang tuition. O siyempre kung sa private, may tuition pa rin. Pero talaga sa RLE, excuse me po, sa RLE sila talagang nahihirapan. Kaya ang ginawa natin dito sa pamantasan ng lungsod ng Pasig, sagot ng LGU, ang RLE ng bawat nursing student. Of course, meron tayong mga connectivity allowance na nung patapos na yung pandemic, sabi ng Board of Regents sa akin, "Hindi, Mayor, tuloy na natin yan. Tuloy na natin yung tawag dito, yung connectivity allowance natin, konting dagdag tulong sa mga estudyante natin." At marami pa pong iba, hindi naman para banggitin lahat, kundi siguro yan po yung patunay na buo ang suporta namin sa inyo. Hindi lang financial, kundi lahat ng mga kailangan, pati sa pagre-review ninyo, yan talagang tututukan natin at mahal na mahal natin ang mga nursing students sa PLP. Kaya congratulations, nakarating na po kayo dito, mag-duty na po kayo. Alam kong excited na kayo, hindi magiging madali. Sabi nga, bukod sa isa sa pinaka-importanteng profesyon ng nursing, isa rin ito sa pinakamahirap. Kaya good luck sa inyo, pero alam kong kakayanin niyo po ang lahat ng pagsubok na dumaan sa inyong mga buhay. Dahil sabi nga, lagi kong naririnig sa mga kaibigan ng nurses, ang nursing ay hindi lang po basta trabaho, isa po itong vocation, isa po itong calling. Alam kong ito ang para sa inyo. So good luck and congratulations to all of you. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Mayor Vico Soto. Truly, the insight that you have shared serves as a guiding light for the student nurses as they begin their professional journey in the service of humanity. And let's have a photo opportunity together with our beloved Mayor and Vice Mayor. Let me ask everyone.
Tara,
Ano?
maulan tayo doon.
Tinanong ko rin eh.
Pwede daw, pwede daw. Sige.
Kumalma na po tayo lahat.
So much, Mayor Nico and Vice Mayor Chodot. Jomers.
Lubat na.
Hanggang dito na lang po ang aming vlogs. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. God bless everyone. Bye!